Hi everyone! Welcome to Threadz and Fadz. I'm on a mission to promote upcycling and reduce textile waste that ends up in landfills. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn your fabric scraps into cute flower bookmarks. This DIY is fun and easy, so let's get started. Choose 2 fabric scraps, one with a flower design and one plain. Trace and cut pattern 5 inches in diameter. Stack the fabrics right sides together. Keep the fabrics in place using pins. Mark a 1-inch opening for turning later. Sew ½ centimeter around the edge. Backstitch at a marked opening. Invert the fabric inside out and make sure to push out the edges. Top stitch to close the opening. For the stem, cut a 12-inch piece of ribbon. Place one end of the ribbon in the center. Then fold the fabric over on each side. Ensure the top stitch is on the underside to hide it. Flatten the fabric and sew the center. Fold the center into thirds and secure with thread. We're almost done. We just need to turn the bottom inside out. Arrange the fabric neatly to shape it into a flower. Here's the finished flower bookmark. Feel free to experiment with different fabric colors. And that's it for this episode. If you loved it, hit like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. See you in the next one!